Investing in real estate isn't just for a wealthy few, and it's really not as complicated as it seems. In reality, investing in real estate is just about simple math and a little bit of creativity. My name is Phil Wells. I'm a real estate agent serving clients in and around Spokane. I also have a network of top agents in North Idaho who can help you there too. In this video, we're going to look at some of the benefits of real estate investing, as well as some of the common strategies too. Let's get on with the video. So how does real estate investing work? There are a ton of different strategies out there, but all are looking for some combination of the following four things: income, loan paydown, appreciation, and tax incentives. Income is the thing most people think of when they think of real estate investing. Income is your monthly revenue less your monthly expenses. This money is essentially your profit and can be used for a number of things. For example, you can live off this income in retirement, or you can use it to reinvest in other real estate investments. Loan paydown is an often overlooked benefit of real estate investing. Even if you just break even on a real estate investment, your monthly rent payments are going towards your loan principal, which is increasing your net worth every month. Looking now at appreciation. While not guaranteed, historic home values tend to show property values rising over time at around 3% per year. The difference between what you bought a property for and what it's worth today becomes part of your net worth. You can also use this appreciation to refinance and pull cash out of the property to move on to your next investment. Looking now at tax incentives. While I'm not a CPA, I can tell you that there are tax incentives that come along with owning real estate. For example, the mortgage interest deduction, depreciation, and the ability to write off certain expenses. Looking now at some common types of investment strategy. Everyone's seen HGTV where people are flipping houses, but there are a lot more investment strategies out there. Here are a few common strategies that we'll look at a little bit more closely. We've got flipping, live and flip, buy and hold investment, house hacking, and the BRRRR strategy. Flipping is by far the most publicized and glamorized form of real estate investing. In a nutshell, it involves identifying a property and determining its ARV, its after repair value, then buying the property preferably below market value, fixing it up and selling it for a profit. A live-in flip is almost exactly the same as a regular flip, except for you live in the property while you do it and do it over a longer period of time. The advantage here is that you avoid capital gains tax by living in the property for a certain amount of time, usually 2 out of the past 5 years. Again, I'm not a CPA, so check with your CPA if you want to pursue this strategy. House hacking is a really smart way of reducing your living expenses and maybe even turning a profit. It involves buying a property and renting out the other rooms or units in the property. In an ideal situation, the rent that you're getting from the other units or the other rooms would cover your monthly expenses and maybe even be profitable. More often than not, it will reduce your monthly living expenses dramatically. Buy and hold investing is exactly what it sounds like. It involves buying a property, fixing them up if necessary, and renting them out. The goal here is to have a positively cash flowing property, meaning that the rent more than covers the monthly expenses, including the mortgage. This is not a get rich quick strategy, this is a get rich for sure strategy. BRRRR investing is a hybrid between flipping and buy and hold investing. It stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. The goal here is to increase the value of a property, rent it out, rehab it, pulling that money out of the property to go on to your next investment. Biggerpockets.com is a great resource if you want to learn more about this strategy. Real estate investing is a great way to build wealth, and if you have the time and resources to pursue it, then you should definitely consider doing so. Like I said, my name is Phil Wells. I'm a real estate agent in Spokane. If you like the sounds of real estate investing and you want to work with an investor-friendly agent, then please feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, and I'd be honored to work with you. Until the next video, thanks for watching.